Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Big Five Digital Festival event navigation for an exhibitor or when you have an exhibitor booth. So the first thing that you need to do is log into the event via your invite email that you will receive to your registered email address. Simply click on Let's Get Started, set up a password. First-time users, you will be on to the event. You have all the tabs here that you will need to navigate through to this event. Now that you are into the event, to go to the exhibitor center, you simply click on to your name right here on top right, and you click on exhibitor center. Then it will give you the name of the event and your company name. We'll click here. And this is the exhibitor center. Now let's go ahead and cover that. To change or amend any information about your company, you simply click on company profile right here. If I want to change the image, I don't have any image. If I want to edit that, I will click on edit. I can add a header image or a header video. We normally recommend that you add a video to get more attention by your attendees. For aesthetics, it looks very nice. You can add your own logo, your company name, and the type is something that you will not be able to change. Then we recently have launched this new feature that you can add your own advertisement to your exhibitor booth as well as a background. To add an ad, you simply click on Add an Ad. You can give a redirection of a URL, which could be your company site. Make sure that you add a banner to this ad. Here are the dimensions that is required to update that. And then to add a background, you simply click on Add a Background and select the background from your computer. Here are the other information that you can edit, like contact details, products, showcase, documents. We will cover them in a second. So to add a document, we click here, Add a Document. Remember, anything with an asterisk mark is a mandatory field. You can upload your document or insert the URL. To upload one from the computer, you simply click on this sign and you can add something. Title of the document and overview is optional. To add your products, you simply go to the products field, click on Add, select a category of your product, give it a name, add a description if you would like, and create. That's how you can add the products. And then you have projects showcase. It's the same way as you would add a product. Then we come to the meetings. Any meetings that has been requested to your exhibitor booth by any of the attendees, they're going to show right here. And you can accept or decline any of the meetings. You can also export your meetings from right here. Team contacts. All the meetings that have been completed by you or your team members within the exhibitor booth, they're going to reflect right here. Also, your team members are going to show right here. Let's say if I click on my profile, I get an option, show my profile and share my contacts with the team. You can choose to activate or disable that. It's individual specific, so you will not be able to do that for your colleague.